Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be introducing a new series today. It is going to be called Retail and Relationships, and during this series I will be doing a shopping haul featuring items from the Dollar Tree, Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or wherever I'm shopping, and I will be infusing relationship topics into the series. So if you guys have any ideas of what you would like to hear, like topics on friendships or marriages or relationship questions, please drop them down in the comments below and I will cover it in my next retail and relationship video. So if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below on what you learned from today's video. Enjoy. Hey you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So, as you have already read from today's title, you're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot of stuff we're covering today. And it absolutely is. Today we're going to talk about event planning. We're going to talk about relationships. I'm going to share, just kind of give you a life update in terms of what's been going on with me. We're going to do a Dollar Tree haul, a makeup haul, and so much more. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we're going to kick off today's video by talking about some makeup. I've been working on my makeup this entire quarantine, kind of off and on, and I just really wanted to get better because I just feel like it improves like the camera quality, just a lot of things that is improved by it. And I'll be able to do like my own photos and my own makeup, and I won't be like kind of hindered when I needed to do things like for events and things like that where I need to wear makeup, or if I have a photo shoot I can kind of do my own makeup, and if I can't get in with my normal makeup artist. So I recently tried this Il Makiage. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is not a sponsored video by any stretch of the imagination. I wanted to try them out because they claim they are like really good with matching your skin. Now this is like my makeup. This is what it looks like in natural light. I don't have a ring light. I don't have any other artificial light, just natural lights on in the house. And as a matter of fact, the lights in this particular room are yellow and they're not the white lights. So I really like the way that it turned out. So you guys let me know what you think about, how it looks on camera. I just went through, I answered the survey. I ended up getting like a foundation, I got a brush, I got an eyeliner, and I got some, whatever the stuff that goes under your eye. You can tell I'm a makeup guru, right? I'm just definitely not a beauty person, but I got a concealer. I got all four of those for like $70 something, and then I got a $20 certificate because the mail was running a little bit slow. So definitely check them out. I will tell you, when I first put it on, it looked really red, but be sure to follow the instructions on the inside, and because they give you a lot of pro tips for like blemishes and dark circles and highlights, and just telling you how to put it on, because they tell you to wait for a little while for it to settle. Because when I tell you, when I first looked at it, I was like, this is not gonna work. But like after 5 minutes, you guys, or less, it settled and it looked amazing to me. So definitely check them out. Not sponsored, this is just from my heart to yours, okay? Because we're going to talk about relationships, and we definitely want to make sure we look our best selves and we feel our best selves before we try to enter into a relationship. So definitely check them out. And they also do free makeup tutorials you can sign up for, and I love that about them. So that's that. The next thing, I got my YouTube black box, y'all. And I never did like a photo shoot or anything with my 100K plaque. I definitely need to do that. But I did get the YouTube black box. I'm so excited about it. I'm so honored. And it's because of you guys that I get these types of opportunities through YouTube. So I got this cute, ooh, can you guys see that? I got this cute sweatshirt that says black, and it has the YouTube, and these were all done by all these things were by black creators. And then it has like a little cute card. David Gentry made the shirt, and Unique Jones Gibson did this game called Culture Tags, and it is so hilarious, y'all. A great game to play like on Zoom or something like that. Great. And then I got a pair of brown YouTube socks and the infamous red YouTube play button. So thank you guys so very much for that. I'm so super duper excited. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a lot of like socks. I love Valentine's Day socks, you guys. So I did like a whole little spiel for socks. Here's my bag. I even got the Valentine's Day bag because I didn't want the Dollar Tree bag. I'm into this thing like the reusable shopping bags. I'm starting a whole collection. So like at Christmas time, I have the Christmas ones. Valentine's Day, I want the Valentine's Day ones. For the spring and all that, I want a springish one. I have like some lemons and pink flowers. So I want to have like a reusable shopping bag for each season. That's going to be my new thing. Okay, I got these actually from the Dollar General, and they were 2 for $1. Dollar General, y'all don't sleep on Dollar General because they really are having it going on. This sign right here also came from the Dollar General for $1. I got this cute little heart chuck from the Dollar General for $1. I'm going to do some cute crafts, so y'all stay tuned. And I think that is all from the Dollar General. I got the pink balloons from Dollar Tree. I'm going to do some date night ideas for you guys. For Valentine's Day, things that you can do easily at home. These balloons were from Hobby Lobby. They were only $1.59 a pack. So I got pink and red, 3 shades of pink, and then I got red. So definitely stay tuned for this Valentine's Day video I'm going to be sharing with you guys, because I just feel like it's so important if you're married to continue to date your spouse. I think a lot of times when you're married, you take for granted that you should still be dating that person. You should still be pursuing that person and doing sweet things for that person just as you did before you ever got married. And just because you're saved doesn't mean you can't do fun things with your spouse. There are so many fun things that you can do with your spouse, like play games and have dinner and do spontaneous date nights and get all dressed up and look cute around the house. Don't be looking just any kind of way all the time. That's one of the reasons why I'm absolutely loving the braids that I have, because it enables me to look more presentable and more feminine around my husband. And that is something I think we don't do enough. I found, even with me being like an ex-pageant girl, I just found myself being really relaxed at home, as we should be. But you still need to have that degree of femininity, that degree of elegance and sophistication when you are with your significant other, when you're around your spouse. You still just want to look nice and presentable, and it doesn't take a lot. Like today, I just have on a simple leisure suit. I did put some makeup on because I'm playing with my makeup. Just trying to, but you don't have to do like a full face of makeup, but just comb your hair. My grandmother was really big on that. When we woke up in the morning as little girls, we got dressed first and then we cooked. So just definitely try to put your best foot forward at all times. And if you are single and you are in the process of you wanting a spouse, you want to be married, then start preparing yourself for being married. What things can you do? You want to make sure you look your best and you feel your best. Take care of any issues that you may have within yourself, so that when you get into a relationship, you're not carrying that baggage into the relationship and running that person off because of all of the baggage that you're carrying with low self-esteem or jealousy or envy or past relationships and past hurts. You want to make sure you release all of those things up front, so that when God sends that person into your life, that you are fully prepared for them. I remember when I was single, I think that time I had just taken off kind of a sabbatical to get myself together, to deal with my own inner issues, my own inner demons, my own inner skeletons. That was one of the most refreshing times of my life, one of the happiest times of my life. For once, I was just happy with being by myself. My mother has 5 kids. My dad has 3 kids, including me. So I'm one of 8 children, and I'm always used to being around someone. And when I was single, I just always wanted to have roommates. I always wanted to have friends around. I wanted to be in a relationship. But then when it came to the point that I wanted to move from singleship to a relationship, I had to really deal with myself and correct the things that were within me that needed to be corrected. And whatever I needed to do to feel better about myself, whether it was to lose weight, whether it was to improve in a certain area, I wanted to be able to feel good about me so that when I met someone else, they got the best version of me and not a representative. I think that is the #1 problem in relationships. A lot of times we introduce the representative to the person, you know, instead of just who we really are. And when I met my husband, he was the first guy that I really just was able to introduce me, like my past, present, everything. I was just able to be open with him. We were friends, and it was just an absolutely amazing thing when we, you know, as our relationship matriculated. There were no secrets. There was nothing that I was trying to hide that I felt like I needed to come back and later clear up or redeem or something. I never presented to him a facade that I was not able to keep up with. I think that is the issue with a lot of relationships. People just aren't real. And that's why they're called real relationships, right? We need to be real with one another. We need to be real with our spouses. We need to be real and open with our significant others. And I said all that to say that we shouldn't go that deep until they are ready, until you have met that person that you know you can trust with your secrets, you can trust with your insecurities, and they won't use them against you later on in the relationship. So that is so very, very, very important. And a lot of times, you know, as women, you know, we always hear the phrase where they're not, you know, there are not any good men out there, or every man cheats, or whatever you have heard about relationships. And you know, that is going to be your reality if that's what you receive. I don't receive that from my life. I always believed that there was a good man out there that God had predestined for me. I did not believe that every man cheated, because that's not what I wanted for my life. That's not what I wanted for my marriage. That's not what I declared and decreed over my life and over my marriage. And so I was not looking for that thing. And so because I did not receive that for myself, you know, God sent me an incredible husband. Is he perfect? No. Am I perfect? No. Nobody's perfect but Jesus. Okay, let's get that straight. But at the end of the day, everything that I needed, because when God gave me to him, he gave him an incomplete being, right? But at the end of the day, he completed me. And I think that is so imperative, that when we meet someone in our lives, in our relationships, that we meet someone that completes us, somebody that completes us, okay? And not tear us down, not break us down, not, you know, not use what we've told them against us, not someone that competes with us, but someone that completes you. Okay, so going back to our Dollar Tree haul, love this I love you card. I got some cute balloons, so I'm gonna throw like a whole little event right here in our living room, and I can't wait, I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I also picked up these cute little candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I love the geometric, the gold. Can y'all see that? So cute. Just $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I got several of those. So that is my haul for today. That is our makeup slash relationship slash life update type video. If you guys enjoy these kind of little chit chats, I will try to infuse them into the content. If you rather me just stick to event planning and home decor, sis, just say that, and I will definitely do that as well. So I'll see you guys at the next video, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.